Good evening, and welcome to tonight's program. In a groundbreaking demonstration of AI-driven coding, Vice President of Technology at ByteDance, Mr. Hong Dingkun, stunned attendees at the Spring 2025 PowerSource Conference. Hosted by Volcano Engine, with just 8 lines of prompt instructions and 3 days of spare time, Mr. Hong personally developed and launched a fully functional English vocabulary learning application redefining what we thought was possible in the world of software development. What started as a side project quickly became a live product, officially released the night before the conference, with its source code soon to be available on GitHub. This remarkable feat not only highlights the disruptive power of AI coding, but also signals a paradigm shift in how we build, interact with, and scale software applications. An English vocabulary app built from 8 prompts. The featured application is far from a prototype. Built using ByteDance's AI-powered coding assistant, Trey, it offers intelligent vocabulary review tailored to the user's learning status and preferences. Unlike simplistic prompts written by beginners, Mr. Hong approached development with the mindset of a seasoned engineer, structuring his commands like technical specifications, not casual requests. For example, to generate a review schedule, he instructed the AI, based on the next review time field in the words review record table, filter the list of words due for review for the user. Then join with worded from the answer list table to randomly select distractor options and generate 3 basic question types. From that, Trey created full question formats with prompts and answer options seamlessly. To track learning progress, Mr. Hong embedded logic for error tracking, data updates, and review curve calculations. This enabled the app to function like a backend service, constantly adapting to the user's performance. When he wanted to expand features, say, adding a new interface or rule for word filtering, simply described the desired logic, and Trey generated the corresponding production-level code, complete with test procedures. The app also offers personalization through a tag-based storage system, allowing flexible adjustments to the review cycle. At the conference, Mr. Hong showcased a clean yet powerful interface, where users can ask questions in either English or Vietnamese. It integrates with Koza's agent feature to extract commonly used vocabulary and domain-specific terms, which are then added to a personalized library. The app generates questions based on proficiency level, whether asking for definitions or contextual USAGEAND, allows vocabulary tracking with labels such as mastered or recognizable when listening or reading. Even more impressively, the AI adapts the difficulty of questions based on real-time learning progress, offering an experience akin to a personal language tutor. The app is now available for public use at https://trey.com. CN. AI coding as a performance revolution. This language app is more than just a demo. It reflects ByteDance's vision of enhancing developer productivity and democratizing programming through AI. Mr. Hong outlined 2 major innovations introduced by Trey. 1. Dynamic context awareness. Traditional AI plugins require users to manually input and manage code, context an error-prone and time-consuming task. Trey eliminates this hassle by intelligently recognizing cursor position and predicting the developer's next step. It auto-inserts contextually accurate code and even moves the cursor to the most logical insertion point, streamlining the entire development process. According to Mr. Hong, this significantly improves both efficiency and code quality. 2. Natural language programming. Unlike conventional generate code from prompt tools, Trey allows developers to describe technical logic in plain English. The AI then turns those descriptions into executable code. For example, if a user says, prioritize words with an error rate above 60%, and exclude words marked as mastered within the last 3 days, Trey will produce complete, production-level code with data filtering and storage strategies. This is not demo-coded as real, scalable code built to enterprise standards. ByteDance has reported that over 80% of its engineers are currently using Trey. With more than 1 million monthly active users, AI coding is no longer experimental, it is essential. the technology behind the breakthrough. The success of Trey is deeply rooted in ByteDance's internal ecosystem. It is powered by the Dubao 1.6 model, a significant upgrade from its predecessor, featuring enhanced logic reasoning and code generation capabilities. It integrates seamlessly with internal tools such as Migo for task management and Argos for error diagnosis, creating a closed-loop system that covers natural language instruction, code generation, testing, and deployment. From AI coding to AI development. Historically, programming languages have evolved from binary code to high-level syntaxes, each step lowering the barrier to entry. AI is now pushing us into a new era, where logic is expressed in natural language, and code is just the implementation detail. ByteDance is at the forefront of this transition from AI coding to AI development, where the role of the developer is being transformed. 1. A new development model. Future developers will focus more on defining problems, analyzing needs, designing architecture, and formulating logic. Repetitive tasks like writing code, building interfaces, or generating test cases will be offloaded to AI. Trey is already showing signs of this future, empowering both professionals and beginners to focus on what needs to be done rather than how to do it. 2. Democratizing development. AI development makes software creation accessible to everyone. Teachers can build custom educational tools. Business analysts can prototype data dashboards. Entrepreneurs can test product ideas at minimal cost. This is the vision of technological inclusivity that ByteDance embraces. As Mr. Hong stated, the advancement of AI models has made it possible for tools like Trey to become truly practical. 3. A productivity revolution. For engineers, AI development is a game changer. AI not only writes code but understands context, refactors logic, fixes bugs, optimizes performance, generates documentation, and even predicts risks. This frees developers from the repetitive grind and enables them to focus on strategy and innovation. Conclusion. The year 2025 marks a turning point in the evolution of software development. AI coding is no longer a novelty, it is a cornerstone of a new development paradigm. ByteDance, through its innovative work with Trey, is not just building tools, but redefining what it means to develop software in the AI era. As AI development becomes the new standard, we are moving toward a future where ideas flow freely, barriers to creation fall away, and technology becomes a true enabler for all. ByteDance's vision is clear, empowering millions to build, innovate, and create one natural language prompt at a time. Thank you for joining us tonight. Stay curious and stay inspired.